On this video, I'm going to show you on how to add a Facebook pixels to your Go High Level website. So if you're ready, let's begin. What's up mga kap? It's me, Kap Joey po mga kap, the founder of Social Media Expert. On this video, I'm going to show you on how to add Facebook pixels to your Go High Level website. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to log into your Go High Level. Go to the site and select the website that you want to add. And the next step is go to the settings. So once you selected your website or landing page or funnel, select the settings. And from the settings, you will see here head tracking code. This is where you're going to paste the meta pixels. So you have two steps to remember. Number one, you need to open your meta, wherein you need to go to the data source, as you can see here. And this is the Facebook pixels that I have for this demo. So the first thing is, if I'm going to click this, remember the 699. Okay, this is a demo pixels. And once you click this one, go to the setup meta pixels. And then it says install it manually. Okay, so install the code manually and just copy the code. And then once you copy this, simply go back to your Go High Level account and then paste it and then click save. All right, you need to have a Facebook pixels here. So as you can see here, right? So this is a Meta Facebook Pixel Helper. So if you don't have this in your Chrome browser, you can go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Meta Pixels Helper. So on this one, on this Google Chrome Web Store or this extension, you'll be able to identify if this website have a Facebook pixel tracker. Okay, so as you can see here, I can easily say this we successfully added the Facebook pixels. So remember the 699, and if you go here, the ending should be 699. The 699. So this is the demo. This is the Facebook pixels. Then if you go to the website, here you go, 699. Now I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this for this demo purposes. I'm going to delete the code and click save. So now we don't have a Facebook pixel. And if you go back here to view this, I'm going to delete that one and I'm going to view the page. And now there is no Facebook pixel here. So that's how easy to add and delete Facebook pixels on Go High Level account. So again, we're going to add the Facebook pixel. Simply go here. So I'm going to copy again the Facebook pixels. Manage the integration. Add integration. Facebook pixel. Set this up. Manually add the code. Get started. Alright. I'll just go back here, install the base code, copy this one, and go to the setting again, then head tracking code, and then click save. And then here, there's no Facebook pixel detected. So this is already saved. So I'm going to check again if we're able to add again the Facebook pixel. So right now, there's no pixels. I'm going to refresh this. And here you go. 28699. Let's check the event. Okay, continue here. Continue and go to the pixel. So I want to check if we're able to add this pixel successfully. So here you go, 28699. All right. So this is how to add your Facebook pixels to your Go High Level website. So if this is your first time to explore and use Go High Level, simply join our free webinar every Friday because we're going to share a lot of information on how to set up, how to use the Go High Level for your business. So that's it for me tonight. Thank you very much for joining and see you on the next video. Before we end this, consider subscribing. Maraming salamat.